Yep, I'm gonna need more coffee for this. What's up, guys? It's 6:30 a.m. here in Bryant Park in Midtown Manhattan, Thanksgiving Day. I'm here at the First Responders Children's Foundation event at Bryant Park volunteering. I was a little bit of a late ad, so I got assigned to float, which for me equates to media, so I'm not upset at all. Got my penny on. I need to go get a beanie now, check in with the group, see how everybody's doing. Good morning and welcome to the 2019 Macy's Day Parade. The Macy's Day Parade began back in 1924. Originally they had zoo animals marching in the parade and some floats, but it wasn't until 1927 that the tradition of the giant balloons that we know and love began. With more than 10,000 onlookers and a record day of sales, the event was such a success that they declared it would become an annual event. But they changed it to Thanksgiving to replace a popular but pesky holiday known as Ragamuffin Day. On the day of Thanksgiving, kids would, in a trick-or-treatish type fashion, dress up and go around pestering adults begging for gifts. It had grown wildly popular but incredibly annoying to the adults, so they didn't hesitate to go do something else on Thanksgiving Day, which added to the success of the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Growing from the initial 10,000 spectators, the event now hosts more than 250 onlookers just in New York City, with millions across the country tuning in to watch. The parade started at 9 a.m. at 79th Street and took about an hour to reach us here on 42nd Street. Already we've seen music celebrities like hip-hop stars, the Black Eyed Peas, and reggaeton sensation Ozuna. For the floats, we've seen beloved childhood characters like Blue from Blue's Clues, Pokemon legends like Pikachu, and anime heroes like Goku. Let's go find out which floats people are most excited to see.
Oh, SpongeBob. Sorry. This year, SpongeBob.
I would say SpongeBob.
BTS boys.
Hate Pokemon. Pokemon? Yeah, thank you.
Smokey the Bear.
That was a good one.
I have to say I like Smokey the Bear myself.
When he was coming down the street, though, he was getting smoked.
I don't know. I like the Lion King one. Lion King.
My favorite was the Paw Patrol and the Power Ranger one.
Good choice. And what about you, bud?
My favorite's the...
Oh!
That was cool.
My favorite is Spider-Man.
All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. I had a ton of fun making it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you really like this video, you can become a supporter. Click the Patreon link down below. You can make a one-time donation or become a monthly supporter. My vision for my channel is to create content that inspires people to go after their goals. If you guys have ideas in New York area for events that you want me to cover, feel free to comment, but I do give priority to my supporters. Next week, I've got a tutorial on some of the techniques I used in this video, and the week after that, I've got a special holiday video about what brings you peace. The season of peace, love, and joy. I think we forget about that sometimes. We get lost in all of the consumerism, buying stuff, checking off boxes. Did we go to this? Did we do that? I want to reboot and find out what brings people peace. So I'm going to walk around town and go ask people that question, and probably going to break out the old skateboard too. So more of that coming. I'm going to try and post weekly, right? Because that's the minimum for a YouTuber. So this is the official launch. So welcome to my channel. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next week.